A stupid question. What is a mouse bite? Is it like an actual mouse that goes into the machine and bites the board?
Right there. That board has mouse bites. See the little tiny holes right there?
Yeah.
So they're little drilled holes, usually outside the board, but you gotta make sure it ain't gonna go in the box. And I literally can break those parts out just by wiggling the board.
So
back
these
and
are not.
forth.
Oh no, they're not vias, right? Oh
Yeah,
no.
yeah, they're
No,
little
it's
tiny
just
vias.
to make it easy to break it from the panel.
That's it.
Yeah.
This one's got them too.
So,
So-
why does it matter?
So because many times the kind of classic style is V-scoring.
That I know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But sometimes you can't use V-scoring.
Like a
then
round
you use
board?
this.
Oh.
Because, for example, if you have a component very close
Oh.
to the edges, you can't do V-scoring.
Why not?
Because it could damage tracks or components if you
Well, you also
run it
have to
through the
think how
machine.
far the V scoring is, and on the external layers, gonna eat up more material.